south there now.
Yeah. I got it trimmed out pretty good, Chelsea.
There.
Go forward with the stick. See, you're constantly trying to goose the darn thing, and I ain't gonna let you.
Turn. There we go.
I say right ailer on, see, lose it over to the right. Now come back toward us. Not the throttle. You see it's coming back to us now. No, when you...
Keep forward.
That's it.
Forward, 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 forward. There we go.
You get too big of a rush. You're not letting me overgoose it. Well, you want to put it to the moon? Huh?
Back, up,
Well,
up.
come on. What are you trying to do?
Trying to make it back.
Well, you are. You're
now
coming.
Forward,
No,
forward,
go
forward,
forward.
forward.
Okay.
Up. Up.
You're
Not
trying to...
forward.
You hang on this transmitter, girl. I'm going to get